Because many of you have expressed interest in my garden, today we are learning English words for some of the things that you can see in my garden. And first things first, we've got this thing right here and this thing right here. These are called garden beds, B-E-D, just like the thing that you sleep in, because the word bed really just means a flat area where you put things. Another common example is if you have a pickup truck. The flat area where you can put things in the back of your pickup truck is called the bed of your truck. So yeah, beds are not only the things that you sleep in, although that is the most common way that we use the word bed. And because they have legs, they are raised off the ground, we can call them raised garden beds. In this one, I've got some chili peppers that are too close together. I need to separate those soon. And then over here, I've got green onions. In the US, we call them green onions. In the UK, they call them spring onions. You can see they're pretty messy right now. This is because we had a storm the other day and these are all too close together. So maybe tomorrow or one of the next days, I am going to separate them a little bit. We've also got chili peppers in here. Those are not going to stay in there. There's not enough space. They're just there for right now, but we will remove them eventually. And eventually just means sometime in the future, not right now. This one has a piece of styrofoam on top of it because it has been very sunny and very hot today. And this is where I've got a lot of my lettuce, which does not like extreme heat. This is some type of standard lettuce. I don't know what the name is. This one here is called romaine lettuce. And this is an herb that you can call lemon basil or hairy basil. Some of you will know this one. Some of you probably have never seen this one before, because I think this is mostly used in Thailand, Laos, and maybe Indonesia, I think. But yeah, lemon basil or hairy basil. Here I've got a wooden fence. This is not a wall, this is a fence. And this is not a door, this is a gate. A gate basically is a door, but a door that you have in a fence. Here I've got more lettuce. And here you can see that the romaine lettuce is a lot taller than it should be. This is because it has been very hot and very sunny. When it gets very hot and very sunny and the plants start to grow upwards very quickly, that is called bolting. So right now my romaine lettuce is bolting, which is not good. I'm probably going to harvest most of it soon and move some of my chili peppers into this area. I've also got mint here, and I don't actually use the mint very often, but I have several mint plants around the garden just to keep pests away. When we say pests, this usually refers to insects and animals that you do not want because they damage your plants or damage your house. So in this case, it could be slugs, snails, beetles, but if it's in your house, pests could also include things like mice and rats. Here I've got lemongrass. This is holy basil, which is a type of basil that is very common in Thai food. The flavor is very different from regular basil. By regular basil, I mean Italian basil like we have right here. Over here, we've also got thyme. This word has an H, but we do not make the TH sound. We don't say thyme, we just say thyme. Here we've got rosemary. It's still very small because I planted it recently, but it will have lots of time to keep growing this summer. These are all chili peppers, and I have about 10 different types, and I didn't label any of them, so I can't tell you exactly what is what, but I'll have a better idea of what is what once they all start producing peppers. So right now, only these ones are producing peppers. These ones are not yet. And over here, we've got tomatoes. 1, 2, 3, 4 tomato plants. And these things that they are inside of, you can call these trellises, or I think tomato cages. Trellis is a general term for something that plants can climb on. For example, these roses, which are not doing very well right now, are growing on this red trellis. So yeah, tomatoes growing or climbing on these trellises or maybe tomato cages. Here I've got a little watermelon plant and some more chili peppers. Over here is where my wife has some other stuff growing. And you can see I've got a brick leaning against the gate. This is to keep my dog Jasmine out, because Jasmine likes to come down here to look for rabbits. Here on the side of the house, we've actually got grapes. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you. They're grapes. And then down here, we've got 2 more steel garden beds. Also, these things right here, these are not bricks. This is a brick. These are called cinder blocks. We've got cinder blocks down here because we use them to support the stairs. And as you can see in this garden bed, we've got some green onions or spring onions, tomato, mint, another tomato plant. We've got Thai basil, not holy basil or lemon basil, but just regular Thai basil. And over here, we've got some little lemon basil plants, some Thai eggplant plants, chili pepper, more lemon basil, some parsley. Oh no, that's not parsley, that's cilantro, but it's not doing very well right now. Also in the US, we say cilantro. In the UK, they say coriander. More holy basil, more Thai basil. Here we've got some little mustard greens. I don't think these guys are going to do very well because they prefer cooler weather. And it's getting really hot. It's 100 degrees right now. So yeah, that's just a little tour of what we've got growing around my house. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.